What's going on, people? Crypto Richie here, hanging out with you today. We're going to be covering some crypto coins, meme coins, checking out whatever you guys have any interest in, and just take a look at the market overall. If you guys are tuning in for the first time, just let me know. And also, guys, type in the chat down below if you guys can hear me and see me okay. Let me know the stream is good. Um, and if this is your first time on, just put in first timer. If you've been on before, just put on, type in you've been on before and just give me some feedback. Like, let me know if you're a total newbie in crypto or you've been around a couple cycles. Like, give me some feedback. Let me know. We're going to go ahead. I'm in my garage, streaming from my garage today. And we're just going to hang out, chill for about an hour, give or take, and have some fun trading. Well, maybe we'll take a couple trades. I'm still waiting for the market to dump, but things are looking pretty juicy. So what's up? What's up, Mr. Ponsible and Ponsible? Is that what is that? Like, is that Yo, what's up, guys? Type in the chat again. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Just type it in, like where in the world. I'm curious where you guys are tuning in from. I'm really curious. First time bull run. Thank you. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's go ahead and let me share my screen here and we can get into the charts here. Toronto. Cool. Okay, so present, share screen, entire screen, share, and I think we are good. Let me know if you guys can see. Let me know if you guys can see my screen here. So let's just kind of start off with Brett. Looks like we're still having a nice little pullback. We're at 1.53 billion market cap. Still got a 5.4 million trading volume on this pair. Awesome. So you guys can see. All right, great. Let's see. How to know when the dumping is at its end. Any signs, Indonesia, bro? So again, a lot of the crypto market kind of like tags off of the stock market. And we do have an important meeting tomorrow with the FOMC and a few other, big updates on that side. So it's all going to it's all going to reflect on tomorrow's meeting. If we take a look at, let's take a look at, here's Jupiter crashing down. Let's take a look at Ethereum quickly. So as long as Ethereum is dumping, the altcoin market will follow and will continue dumping. It looks like we have a little support here at the 32.94. We did break this upward trend line here, as you can see, right in here. Let me see if I can get my little pen here, but right here, we didn't close below, but it looks like we're gonna close below, and it looks like we have some downside coming. And I fucked up again last night because I did not take a short that I wanted. I wanted a short Solana last night, but then I got busy on a call and I just couldn't. I didn't get on and I didn't take my trade. So possibly, if we come down to these levels around 32.80, I could get in for a quick little bounce. But we didn't close below here. I think we are going to close below today on Ethereum. I got to get rid of this. So as long as Ethereum is looking bearish like this, I mean, I don't know if we're going to come down to this pivot over here. This is pretty low, 27.35. But if we do break this line, this 32.29 on Ethereum over the next few weeks, then we could roll over into this territory, which is going to give us a bargain deal on a lot of altcoins. I mean, we're just going down before we go back up. So for all of you guys who bought Ethereum or altcoins in this, in this area here, we're going to be holding on for a little while. You're going to be holding on for a little while, down here until we get that bounce. Can you take a look at, hold on, let me see. What about Tret the Chinese Brett? Yeah, let's take a look at that. Is that on Solana? And then also somebody said take a look at another one, but it disappeared. So let's take a look at Tret. I think that's on base. Is Chet on base? Let me know. I think it's on base, right? Yeah, I think this is the one you're talking about. Let's take a look at Chinese Brett. Look at this. We got like Escape the Matrix. We got Andrew Tate ads on Dex Tools. Let's click it. Too many instances of the. Okay. Anyway, let's take a look at. Holy crap. Well, I mean, this is a new coin, and I was looking at it on day one. I didn't take a position, but I mean, it's going up. Chinese bread is going up. We got 147,000 holders. So probably a lot of airdrops, right? 1.86 million volume, 5.8 market cap. Let's take a look at Twitter. I don't know, like, do you want me to look at the chart only or get into the Twitter and socials and all that? Like, let me know. That's a long way down, dude. What do you think of Bolt on base and Dog on Solana? All right, I'll take a look at those in a bit. But let me know if you want me to take a look at the socials on Chinese Brett. Let's take a look at okay, cool. Let's take a look at Tret on brace. And I was looking on this on the first freaking day. Guys, you just got to be careful. If you're playing with, based on your bag position, you got to pretty much say, if you guys are playing with a 10K bag, you might want to say, all right, maybe 10%. If you're a total degenerate, maybe 20-30% you're going to play with meme coins. So you got 2 to 3K, playing with meme coins. But like, guys, I wouldn't bet your whole, if you're playing with 10K, I would not put all 10K into meme coins unless you have super high conviction on a coin or a couple coins and you're willing to risk it and you're willing to lose it all. And the consequences that the shit might dump or rug or go to zero, or, unless you have that type of conviction, then don't go all in on meme coins. So let's take a look at Tret. 1,500 followers. Holy shit. This is funny. New all-time high. Chat to the moon. 124 likes, 195 likes, 126 likes. 1,500, pretty low when it comes to followers. Let's check out the website. What's up, guys? For all you newbies just tuning in, we're just streaming live daily here, covering all coins, talking about the overall crypto market. And if we see any good things, we're going to pounce. Any entries, any things that I see during these live streams, I'm going to make a pounce. Like the last one, I basically bought a coin literally on live stream. So yeah, we're just here to hang out daily, guys. I hope you like the vibe of this. Tune in every day, pretty much for an hour. We're going to be covering all kinds of coins, meme coins, and just hanging out. And if you're totally new to crypto and you want to make sense of and learn how to profit with crypto, check out the link below, or just check out my website, cryptowaters.com, where we basically teach you how to make money in crypto. and not lose your shirt, by being disciplined traders. So Chinese Brett, blah, blah, blah about tokenomics. It is what it is. They got their Twitter, their Telegram, they got their chart on Uniswap here on the 15-minute. Here, let's actually do this. Let's take a look at Chet on the 4-hour quick. I mean, it's looking bullish. I have to say it's looking bullish. And if you feel like, this community is going to grow, then I mean, it's very hard to say on meme coins because they could just keep going up. So I could say, yeah, I would wait for a little pullback, but it's such a new coin that you don't know where it's going to go. This thing could go up 500% in the next month and you would just be totally missing out. Or you could buy it here and it could dump back down to, 0.002 down here, to these levels down here. You don't know. So like I said, you got to have conviction. You got to pretty much take a gamble on it. And if you feel like, hey, I'm playing with 10 G's, I want to put $200 to $300 in Tret, whatever you call it, do it. But then what I would do is if you're saying, okay, look, I want to put $500 on Tret, maybe maybe break that up into 3 bullets, $150 a piece or $162.50 each. That's basically a third, right? And you put that in now, you might get a pullback, you might not. It's really up to you. But I like to nibble when I get into these meme coins. I'll put in sometimes I'll put in 0.1 ETH, 0.2 ETH at a time. If I say I want to put in 1 ETH into this meme coin, I'll just kind of dabble in. I'll break it up into fifths. And then if I'm putting 500 in, all right, I'll put in 100 now because this thing could literally dump overnight. You don't know. You really don't know. So just if you look at it that way and if you think about it that way, then you should be okay. I'm a nibble, then sounds like a safe play. So yeah, if you want to nibble, man, go in and nibble, and this is on ETH. So, well, this is actually on base, right? Yeah, this is on base. So your transaction is going to be pretty cheap. All right, you're going to have easy transactions. So let's see. What else you guys want me to look at? Do you think it's okay to grab yes, bro? Bird dog on Solana. All right, we'll do bird dog quick on Solana. And I think I probably have that thing already pumped up. Already here. Yo, Andy on base is breaking down, and I drew these trend lines like a couple days ago. Check this out. So this is looking good. I mean, if we break and we come down to 2 cents, 2.5 cents here, I will put in another ETH and Andy. I will go 1 ETH with Andy on base here. I mean, let's just check this breakout super quickly. Let me just put the fib on this. And I think I might have done this yesterday. But let's just say, from this breakout, the 50% retrace is at 3 cents. So we could come back down. We could come down to 3 cents. That would be pretty much the next major stop. We bounced off the 382 as you can see. We just bounced off this 382. We're literally just bounced off this today. So if this 382 breaks, we could come down to the 50% retrace, which would be a pretty good, maybe, if I'm going to put an ETH in here, I might put a quarter of an ETH in here at the 50% retrace because we could break that. We could hit the 618, or even dip a little lower. So that's just looking at that. So let's go to what are we looking at? Yeah, we'll also take a look at RNT. Let's take a look at Bird Dog on Solana quick. Bird Dog. This is Duco. Duco broke down. Duco is going to be looking good for a little entry around here. And we're almost at it. We're almost bouncing off 00347. Let's pop up hold on, let's see here. Andy, let's get rid of hold on, guys. Let me just open up Bird Dog on Solana. Pretty slow day today. Only got 11 people on, really? Last time we had 30. What's going on? Bird Dog. Ooh. Bird Dog on Solana, right? And then we'll do Real Nigga Tate. Holy shit. Look at the volume on that. So we got 671K 24-hour volume, 7 million market cap, 285K liquidity, 7,000 holders. Let's pull up Twitter quick. We're looking at 4,900 followers. We are raising 1% of Bird Dog supply and 250K in stables. It's 5 hours ago. Yeah, excited to be partnering up with the Bullverse Bros. Not many likes, but this one has a lot of likes. Seems like they're working on it, you know. So let's take a look at the chart. So the followers are not bad. Twitter looks okay, right? So let's take a look at the Bird Dog chart. So Bird Dog literally was conceived on March 8th. So about 3 months old now. We had a couple of pops, consolidated, low volume, nothing happening. What happened here? Does anybody know what happened on May 28th? Yeah, we'll look at Toshi. I'm actually a Toshi holder. Does anybody know? Do you know what happened on May 28th over here? Like what made this pop? Let's put a fib on that. I didn't get it. All right, so we're literally bouncing off the 50% retrace right here. We kind of bounced off the 618 over here. Now we're at the right above the 50% retrace. Man, this looks like a pretty crazy coin here. I don't know, I don't own it, but I mean, it looks pretty strong. I mean, I guess we could make a case for kind of like connecting these highs here. And we literally bounced above this support line, this trend line here, the support. And I mean, as long as we don't close below here, I think we're good. I think you're golden and it's going to keep going up. So guys, again, it all depends on what happens in the next couple of days with, with the news, with the crypto news going around in the stock market. So whatever happens there, I mean, if we do break, we could come back down into these lows in here. If we break through 007, we could come back down to 0034, which is basically 50% from that level if it does break. But if we just stay here and stay above, then that's pretty bullish. It's a community takeover. So hold on, let me see. Guys, if you're liking this so far, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and you know, spread the goodwill. Bird Dog on Solana is a community takeover. CTO. Really? I didn't know that. So is this contract like clean now? Are we good? No honeypot verified. Is this a good? I mean, we're at a 7 million market cap, 7,000 holders. Have you noticed holders growing pretty quickly or what? I know DTV Creators Lounge. I know you're into Bird Dog. You have a pretty big position, small position. Like, let me know, bro. Let me know. Let's keep the alpha going. All right. So let's take a look at RNT super quickly, and let's look at RNT on Solana. So I'll keep the Bird Dog chart open because it's pretty interesting. I have RNT already open. No, this is Bird Dog. No, this is Bobo. This is Bird Dog on ETH. What about Bird Dog on ETH? Anybody playing that? Like the last time I was looking at Bird Dog on ETH. Looks like we're literally right at the support here. Okay, so let's pull up Solana and let's take a look at RNT since I am a holder of RNT. Let's see how that thing's doing today. God, it's down. It's down again. Shibu, please. Snibu. Yeah, so RNT, I don't know, not looking that good, to be honest. It's not looking good. But you never know. I put in one soul. I don't remember at what price. I have to look at my soul wallet. But RNT doesn't look that good as of now. I mean, if you feel like you want to put a a soul in or whatever, you got 24,000 holders, 22 million, a lot of volume, pretty big market cap, for a low cap coin like this, a lot of liquidity. It might be priming for a bounce. You never know. Any insider knowledge? Do you have any alpha on RNT? Tommy, Tommy, Tommy Jones, Tommy Lee Jones. Any info, any alpha? Let me know. Type it in the chat. So let's take a look at. It's an important. Mate, please have a look at. Okay, let's take a look at that one quickly, and then we'll go to Sneebu. How are you doing? Stamp 1981. I'm doing great. Okay, let's just go in order. Stamp, you said Sneebu. Sneebu on where? Guys, from now on, when you're telling me to look at a coin, tell me the coin and what chain, because there's duplicates. There's like coins on multiple chains. I don't know. You got to tell me. This way I don't have to ask and wait. Just tell me what coin on what chain so I can pull it up. Man, Bobo. I'm about to take a position in Bobo, man. I kind of missed that freaking bounce off this level over here. Okay, Toshi on base, I will take a look at. I'm waiting for ETH. So what is this? Snibu on ETH, SNIBBU. SNIBBU on Roaring Kitty. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go to ETH and let's type in Snibu. So guys, another favor, another thing I would like for you to tell me is when you ask me to look into some of these coins, if there's any alpha, tell me the alpha. So tell me the coin, tell me what chain it's on, and then if there's any type of alpha, type it in there as well, and then just send it in as one shot. I mean, for the future purpose, just so we know, like maybe there's something that we can all, bounce ideas off of. Okay, so SNI, what was it? Sneebu. I'm guessing this is it here. It's a character with Andy. Okay, so it's one of the boys club's characters, another derivative after a derivative. When did it come out? Holy shit, it came back. Oh, what the? How old is this thing? May 23? Really? This thing looks crazy. Only 2,000 holders? Really? 4.7 million market cap, 4.6 liquidity, 278K volume. What do you know about it? Like, how'd you find out about it? Like, what do you know about it? This thing looks, God, this thing is holding this trend line here. I mean, it kind of looks like maybe we broke below if we connect these dots here, but we're pretty much kind of on this upward sloping trend line if you take a look at it on the daily. We didn't break below, so this is actually, let me see if I can make this trend line a little bit better. We didn't break below, so it looks okay as of now. As long as we hold this trend line, which I think it probably will. Why is the community so small? I just watch a lot of videos and I learned all the, so how many, Stamp 1981, how many characters are there? Because I know Matt Fury made a shitload. There's like a shitload, man. This is going to be a Matt Fury fucking bull run with all these meme coins. This guy's like legendary status, man. It's crazy. Let's take a look at Twitter quickly. $1,100 followers. Very small. He looks like a little crab. Actually, pretty cute. I'm going to follow the account. Followed by Mario, Trading Benjamins, and two others that I know. Our links, if you haven't found us yet. 0% tax, LP burned. Sometimes we just have to embrace the adversity and adjust to situations. Spring market, bring it on. Make it rain, make it sunny. We do not care. We keep crabbing. It's kind of like Crabata. You guys remember Crabata? I know at least 842. Not much interaction. Very small community. Seems like a small but passionate community. Like, dude, this chart is insane, though. This is not the chart. Oh, man, where the hell is it? Probably over here. Yeah. So, I mean, you got 4.7 million market cap, 2,000 holders. That's it. Healthy volume. I mean, not bad volume. Anything over 200K volume is not bad. All right, we're going to take a look at Omi Kami next. I'm just intrigued about this chart. This chart looks, well, as long as we hold above this line, I think we're good. Really, I mean, realistically, we also have kind of like these levels here. This is an important line to hold. So as long as we hold, we got two trend lines that give us a pretty strong support here. As long as we hold this, I think, you know, you're golden. But if we break that, it can get pretty nasty and come back down to, you know, 007 or maybe even these lows here, 003. But it looks pretty strong to me. All right, let's go to Omi Kami on ETH. We're already on Omi Kami. Guys, are you liking this so far? If you guys are liking this, comment down below. Let me know if you're liking this. Pretty slow day. Let me know, like, the time zone. Is this time zone working out, or should I stream later for you guys, more toward the night? I put 200 in. Where did you buy at recently, or did you get in earlier before this mega trend line pump? Let me know. Kind of curious. All right, so let's take a look at Omi Kami. Did I spell that right? Omi Kami. Seems Japanese. Okay, Omi Kami on ETH. They say Omi Kami comes from the same developer Shiba Inu, hence the hype. Yeah, it's an old coin for sure. It's an old coin. 95 million market cap already. Wow. 1.4 million liquidity, pretty healthy liquidity. 5,700 holders. Wow. 3.8. Cool, cool. 1.23 million volume. Not bad. Not bad. Wow, this thing basically what came out in September 2022. Man, I have a feeling some of these older OG coins are going to surprise people like more than the new ones. You know, this thing is old, man. This thing came out in September 2022 in the last fucking bull run. Like toward the ending of the fucking last bull run. And then we had this pump up here. We came up here. We dipped for this whole freaking low. And then we just bazookaed up. Like, do you know any more about it? Like, what made this thing pump here? Like, does anybody know? That's what I want to know. Like, what happened on May 16th? Literally a couple weeks ago. So let's just take a look at this coin is another crazy coin, dude. So we literally pierced the 50% retrace, came back up, and now we're back up here. Man, I don't know, but it looks like a pretty bullish. If we just keep chopping sideways over here, we've got a lot of volume too. In the past couple days, we got a lot of volume. But I think, you know, if we keep chopping sideways here, it's just going to go up again, pretty much. I mean, you could see it. So I don't know, man. I don't have a position in this. I'll just probably watch it. Again, you can't get into every single meme because there's so many. 3.8 million market cap. You got in. Crazy. Dog the duck on Sol. They say Omi Kami comes from the hype. Omi Kami been pumping for quite some time. Just curious if it's legit. When looking at Deck Screener, it shows that the contract can be. Oh, you mean Deck Screener? I'm on Dex Tools. Well, let's take a look at Deck Screener quickly then. Let's go to Ethereum and let's just type in Omi Kami. Amaterasu. Transfer pausable. Has blacklist, has whitelist. Has whitelist is common. Blacklist, okay. Yeah, I don't know, man. Transfer pausable. Like, I don't know, man. Like, there's so many other coins that don't have these issues, but whitelist is common. Like, why would you want to risk it when there's so many other plays out there? Like, do you have a bag in this? Like, why are you so into this when there's so many other coins out there that you can get into that don't have three issues here? You know, unless you know something, unless you're an insider, you know something. Like me, for me, I don't think I would I don't think I would play with it. For me, that's just me because I'm in a bunch of other shit, you know? Um so yeah, just kind of curious. Just, you know, do your research, guys. I look at how much money goes in on Deck Screener. What do you mean by that? Like you look at deck screener instead, or you can see all transactions. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of a lot of whales buying. Looks like it. Do you have a bag of this or no? I sold it, bro, because of the pausability in the contract. Yeah, I hope you sold at a profit. Hope you sold at a profit. What's up, people? Everybody just tuning in for the first time. It's Tony here hanging out with you. We're just checking out the crypto market in general, looking at meme coins, um, and just checking it out, man. I think Ethereum might come back down to the $3,300 mark. If that happens, a lot of altcoins are going to be on sale. I mean, they're already on sale. Kakinu just dipped 10%. Ondo is up. That shows you something. Casper is up. Bitcoin dominance is up. Bonk is up very little. Avalanche taking a shit. Bitcoin taking a shit. XRP taking a dump. Everything taking a dump. But I mean, Ondo, wow. I actually got in Ondo at 70 something, 74 cents, I think. I was charting it way back here. And I got in pretty much at these levels here. I'm doing pretty good on Ondo. I got a good 5-figure bag in Ondo. Ondo's looking good. Ondo Finance. There's a YouTuber who's promoting it aggressively. You could say that for every coin. There's a YouTuber out there promoting one fucking shit coin or another aggressively. What's up, people? All you newbies just tuning in. We're just checking out meme coins, altcoins, whatever. If you want me to look at something, just type it in. We're just hanging out. If you're a total newbie just tuning in for the first time and you're trying to make sense of and profit from crypto, check out my website, cryptowaters.com. Maybe I'll even post it in the chat here for you. Check out what I have. It's a little presentation that basically shares with you this incredible opportunity that we have and how much money there is for us to make in this bull run. We're literally eating appetizers right now through this bull run. We have a lot of ways to go. Of course, we are in a little mini correction right now. That's normal. Bitcoin can come down to 59K. It really can. Ethereum could come back down to what levels are we looking at on ETH? Let me actually pull up ETH again for you. Ethereum can come back down to 33 basically, and if we really take a shit, guys, we could see $2,700 ETH again. If that happens, you better back up the truck and buy your favorite meme coins and or Ethereum, because once we get through this and we get this bounce and we pass 4,000, our previous high, 4,100, then we're in price discovery mode. We're going to be passing the previous all-time high. It was a 4,500 here, right? 48 basically, and it's going to be the banana zone. It's going to be the banana zone, guys. I remember stacking up on ETH at $150 a token to sell at 3,000 to 3,700 in the 2021 bull run. Yeah, it was insane. It was insane. So we are early, guys. We are early. Just don't blow your load too early. I sold, man. The Omi contract has the ability to pause trades. Check it out. Good or no? I don't know. I don't think it's good, man. I would stay away from it. I would stay away from it. How long are we streaming for now? We're on for about 40 minutes. Are you guys liking this so far? Are you guys liking it? Again, like the time, tell me about the time zones. Should I stream later? Like I'm still trying to figure out like what the best time is to stream with you guys. Because there's a sweet spot where we're gonna get more people on. Um, and obviously the more people we have on, the more fun we have, right? The more interaction, the more alpha. Like the other day we had a lot more people on. Today seems a little quiet, a little slow. I thought of getting in again. It has a twin coin called Rugene at a lower market. I heard of that one. Is that on that's on Ethereum as well, right? Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at it. So Ethereum, let's type in um RYUJIN. I heard about this one. Ryujin. This is all Japanese coins. Okay, so let's see here. Wow. 36 million market cap, 4,000 holders, 1 million volume, liquidity 1 million, and it's old as well. It came out in February 24. Never mind, it's not that old. Pretty new actually. But god damn, look at this pop. Crazy. Meme coins are nuts. Do you have any alpha on this or are you just speculation? I mean, it looks like if we keep consolidating here, chopping sideways, that's a bull flag. We wait 3 more days. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of lower volume the past 2 days, but we're making a case for a bull flag here. I so thought of getting in. Hey man, you have a unique look. What ethnicity are you, bro? What do you mean by that, dude? Is that a compliment or unique look? So I'm born in Hawaii, right? I'm here in Hawaii. I'm born and raised in Hawaii, but lived in New York, lived in Dallas for many years, Dallas, Texas. So my father is from New York, Greek Italian, and my mom is from Okinawa, like Japanese. So I'm basically half Asian, half Japanese, and I speak fluent Japanese. My wife is Japanese, so that's why I'm like, oh yeah, Japanese coins. So yeah, I'm half Asian, Japanese, Okinawan, if you want to kind of tell them, they're not part of Japan, they're Okinawas, right? Okinawans, but now it's all considered Japan. And then a quarter Greek, a quarter Italian. That's me. Andy on Blast will fly soon. Dude, due to the airdrop end of the month, load up now, guys. This is gonna go to the moon. I fucking agree, bro. I agree. I agree. And I do have a beautiful bag of Andy. I've been riding it up, and wow, look at this beautiful fucking pump on Andy on Blast. And I keep regret not buying over here because my pool guy came to fix my hot tub. I got off the computer, and by the time I looked at it, I think I told you this yesterday. I'm mad at this chart every day I look at it. I come back, it's up 78%. And I'm like, I'm going to buy. I get a call from my pool guy. I'm on the way. I'm here. Come back, it's up 70%. God, hate it. All right, so let's go back to Andy on Blast, one of my favorite coins. PEPE is literally chopping around this resistance level. If we break this, we could probably come down here, and I might add a little bag of PEPE here. I would like to see PEPE come back down to this level here, but I don't know if that's going to happen. But I'm basically here, guys, waiting for a little mini dump so I can add to my bags. That's what I'm waiting for. And when that happens, we will go live on stream, and I will literally load my bags with you, and do it. So that's the game plan. That's the game plan. As long as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the stock market is bearish, these coins are going to go down. Some of them have a little bit of strength and power because of the community and people buying in, FOMO, all that. But eventually, as long as the bigger market is coming down, it's going to come retrace and come back down. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm noticing anyway. So let's take a look at guys, what were we gonna look at? We're gonna look at a coin. I totally forgot what we're looking at. Oh, we're looking back at Andy on base. Here we go. Yeah, so Andy's actually coming down, and I like it. I like it. I actually want Andy to tank down to 0.25, 0.025, 2.5 cents. Give me 2.5 cent Andy. Give me 2.5 cent Andy, and I will be a happy camper. As long as we close below here, then that would be a confirmed breakdown, but we're not at that yet. Maybe in the next day or two, we need 2 more days to see if we confirm or if we just stay above this trend line here. Man, I don't know, man. This is Are you guys liking this so far? Guys, if you guys are liking this, hit the like button, comment down below. Let me know if you're liking this. Spit out some coins if you want me to look at some coins. But we're just here chilling. We're just here chilling in my garage, looking at coins, meme coins, whatever you guys want to talk about. If you're a total newbie, don't be afraid to ask newbie questions. It's all good. We're all here to learn and to grow and to share alpha and to make some goddamn money in this bull run. Excuse me, Lord. We're here to make some money, right? So I think we'll stream for a little bit more, guys. If there's nothing else to look at, I mean, I could, we could just do whatever. I don't care. Look at some other charts. I'm probably gonna want to get into my Bybit account here and start seeing if I can get into some sort of leverage position because I've been missing out on my trades here. I want to make some fun money. OX #1 on ETH. Are you talking about the crypto? OX? What's up, dudes? What's up, Peter? Hey, man, thanks for your stream. I like it. Awesome, man. Compliment, bro. Of course, you look like my older brother. Awesome, man. Awesome, awesome. Oh, shit. So that means your brother has an interesting look. Yeah, I'm growing my hair out, man. Like, I've always had short hair my whole life. And like literally a year, 13 months ago, I stopped cutting my hair. So like I'm getting like long hair right now. And I've never grown my hair this long in my whole life. Like high school, I was always like a shaved head. I was a shaved head kid. And then I had like the spiky point of my life, and then pretty much it. I never really had long hair. So now I'm like, growing out the do. I kind of like it. It's pretty cool. Maybe you can check beer coin. All right, beer coin on what? Beer coin on what? You know what I could do? I could do this so you guys also get like, hold on, so you guys can see, but I have to switch screens to do this. So you guys can literally see what people are saying like that. But it does take a part of the screen, but it ain't that bad. Beer coin on Solana. All right, let's take a look at that coin quick. Sorry guys, I got so many freaking tabs open. I wish there was a better way to do this, and I hope my computer doesn't crash. So let's just go to Solana and let's take a look at, it's just beer coin. All right. So, guys, I just mentioned earlier and you weren't on. Next time, if you guys want me to look at a coin, tell me what coin, tell me what chain. And also, if you have any alpha knowledge on it or whatever, type it in the chat so we can all benefit. So we can all be like, oh, okay. So here, beer. I'm guessing it's this one, BBEER. Is it this top one? No, this is baby beer. Like which one am I is it this one? Because this one looks like shit. Or is it this one here? No, it's $43 in liquidity. Like, what is that? This one only has $1,000 in liquidity. This is the only one up here that looks like something with 164K. Okay, so just put beer. Okay, so this is it right here. All right, I got it. I got it. It's just beer. I thought the ticker was beer coin. So it's just beer. 14 million. This is it. Okay, I got it. All right, 26 million volume, 375 million market cap, 14 million. Wow, this is a pretty big coin. Pretty heavy. Pretty heavy coin. Do you know anything about it? $136,000 followers. Turn cents into pints and savor the taste of wealth with beer. Interesting. Beering Man like Burning Man starts now. The 1 billion beer burn was our starting signal. Hold my beer. We got Roaring Kitty holding a beer here. 140 likes. Beer isn't afraid of the bear. Who bought the dip? 414. Wow. Beering Man is now over. Thanks for participating, sippers. Now we will take some time to gather and announce the results. Looks like you're doing something right here. 382 likes. Wow. I mean, it made me like it. Like I just came here for whatever reason. I don't know why, but I liked it. I like the middle finger. Beer listed on Bitsy, largest exchange in Turkey. Telegram group is with 1 million people. Thank you for your efforts. So much appreciated. No problem, bro. This is why we're here, to just hang out for an hour a day. I'm here. I know it's promoted by influencer and more German market. Could you make good money at the start? You could make good money at the start. SKI on base will soon moon. There's big influencers waiting to drop videos in the next few days. All right, we'll take a look at that next, but let's just go back to the beer chart. This shit is looking pretty gnarly. We're literally bull flagging from this big move up. I mean, I think right now would be a good little mini entry because we literally came down. We're down how much? We're down to about 28% from the top, from the local top. So this thing just took off overnight, huh? 40,000 holders. Wow. But I mean, dude, the market cap is already like 377 million. I mean, to get the time to get in was right here, right at this level here. I mean, let's take a look at that. So if you got in at this level and it popped all the way, that's 236%. But now we're back down here. You're still up 140%. I don't know. Are you guys getting in? Who's getting in beer? Any of you guys in beer? Looks like a pretty. This is a pause day right here. And then now we're kind of dumping. Man, as long as we, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we have a nice green day tomorrow, I think it's looking good. If we close right around at these levels here, and if we have a green day, you know, it could be waiting for the next move up. Only have a little bit. Wow. Looks pretty interesting. Thanks for pointing it out. Looks pretty interesting. Let's take a look at me in beer. Me like beer. Oh my god. I am gonna create a meme coin one day, maybe, hopefully. That'll be funny. Like, I think I have to create a meme coin. Like, for all the crypto dudes who are in crypto, like, you at least have to say you created a meme coin, even if it flopped. Okay, let's take a look at ski on base chain will soon moon. There's big. Okay, let's take a look at that. This is Bobo. Let's find base chain. Okay, we got Andy on base. All right, let's just go back to base over here. Doug the Duck. Where is Doug the Duck? Okay, so we'll go to ski. Is this it right here? Ski wrapped ETH 574? Or is it? Yeah, I'm assuming this is it. It's the big one. Okay, Doug the Duck on Sol. We will take a look at that. Hold on, guys. I gotta put on my flip-flops. My garage floor is cold and I'm barefoot and it's just like making my feet cold. I don't like it. All right. I feel better now. Okay. All right. 11.8 million market cap, 574 liquidity. Holders we don't know. Probably have to go to Dex Screener to take a look at it or just pull up. That's why I like Dex Screener, because Dex Screener kind of gives you a little bit more information. Okay, so this thing was pretty much born on April 9th. How many holders? Do you know how many holders this thing has? Or do I need to go to Dex Screener to take a look? Like, let me know if you know how many holders this thing has without me looking. So let's see right away. Ski mask dog. So any alpha on this coin or what? It looks like we're literally bouncing off this trend line here. As of now. So we had that initial pump up to 0.037 cents. Then we came all the way back down to our lows at 0.004, and then we kind of came back at 1.7, and then now we're back down here. So I would say as long as we hold this trend line here, we're okay. But if we break and confirm below this white trend line, we could chop back down into these lows over here. I don't know. It could come back down to this previous 0.005 level. It could, I'm just looking at the chart, guys. Don't mind me. Because we literally broke above this trend line. We confirmed, and the next day later, we broke below. And then we confirmed, and then we came below again, and then we broke above, and then we confirmed, and then we're up here. There's a pretty crazy chart fighting this trend line. But I don't know much about it. 80,000 holders. Shit. What's the alpha on this thing? Let's take a look at Twitter quick. 5,000 holders. This is cute though. Ski mask dog. Community takeover. Is this a community takeover coin? Our biggest giveaway yet coming soon. Prepare accordingly. $67 likes, 95 likes. Exactly 2 months later, 5,000 followers on Twitter. Why only 119 likes though? I liked it. Oh, I gotta refresh the page. Diamond hands. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Are you a holder? Are you a holder of Ski Mask Dog? Anyway, I mean, depending on your conviction and what you know about it, you know, this level could be a little potential small DCA if you want, you know. But you never know. It's right now we're kind of in shaky territory with the overall crypto market. So this thing could just dump back down overnight. You don't know. All right. So that's my little look on this one. Cross it out. What else are we looking at? Baby bonk. Okay, let me look at. Okay, we'll do a couple more and then I gotta run. I think we've been on for a good hour already. Guys, are you guys liking this so far? If you guys are liking this, please comment down below. Tell me you like it. Give me a like. Share it with somebody that you know. We're coming on here daily, just checking out the overall crypto market, meme coins, altcoins, and potentially, you know, getting into some trades if the setups look right. So let's take a look at quickly Doug the Duck on Solana. Let's go back to where is my Solana here? So what's the symbol? Like, what is it? Like, is it Doug the Duck? Doug the what's the symbol, bro? Like it's not. Oh, I just saw it. Doug. I'm assuming this is it. DOUG. White duck. Is this it? I like it, bro. Chilling with the fam. Exactly. Me like. Me like. Me like Doug. Me like Duck the Doug. That's the one. Holy shit. So it was born on May 29, not that long ago. God, looks like we got some topping tails over here. I'm actually just learning some things about topping tails, and this looks pretty bearish to me. Look at it. We just created a new candle as we spoke, and we're going down. And we're literally, I mean, this is a very young coin. You know, I don't know. This is too speculative for me to look at right now. I don't know much about it. 2,000 holders, 2 million market cap, 124K liquidity. And guys, just keep in mind, the lower the liquidity, the easier for price to pump. So if you're looking at coins with a lot of millions and millions of liquidity, it takes a lot of energy to pump the coin. When you have low liquidity, low market cap, you know, somebody could come in with a $10,000, $50,000 buy and fuck, the price will just shoot up. You know, so it's good to have low liquidity, but you don't want to have too low of liquidity because And if you have a big bag, you're going to have a hard time selling, you know? So just make sure there's enough healthy liquidity in coins that you get into where if you want to, you know, if you have a good size bag and you want to just dump and get out, you can get out, right? Yeah. So look, we're pretty much in, you know, dumping territory right now. It's too early. I don't know much about it. It's very low followers. Let's take a look at Twitter super quickly. Yo, what happened to my shit, man? Why did I get logged out? Guys, if you want to follow me on Twitter, I don't post on Twitter. But if you want to follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on PulseBeat369. I don't really do any posts on Twitter though. I'm not really like me, I'm just a lurker on Twitter. So I'll literally like look at people's stuff and I'll like get alpha. Um but I don't do any posting on Twitter. I'm just like I'm not into it right now. Maybe in the future I'll be more active, but I just got so much shit going on. Like I don't post on Twitter. I mean, pretty much. But if you want to follow me, it's PulseBeat369, like right down here. Maybe I'll put it in the descriptions later. But I mean, I'm not really an active Twitter dude. I just like follow accounts and I just like research. That's all I do on Twitter. I'm not really a poster. I would rather jump on a YouTube stream like this and connect with you guys. I mean, I guess I could stream on Twitter, but I like YouTube. I'm like a YouTube guy, you know? So we got 2,800 followers. Looks like they got some spaces going on. Other meme coins, Doug the Duck. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Let's keep an eye on it. Let's keep an eye on it. It's brand new. Let's keep an eye on it, right? Doug the Duck. Because guys, you never know. Some of these coins can just like pop off like a freaking, you know, a freaking shotgun. You never know. People are just starting to find out about Omi Kami and Ryujin after a few articles came out. Seems like you're a big Ryujin and Omi Kami dog. All right. So we took a look at that. We took a look at beer. We took a look at Snibby. Let's do one more. Where is the one that I was a baby bonk? So baby bonk on Solana, I assume. And I actually made a shitload of money off of bonk months ago. Baby bonk on Binance. Baby bonk. Which one are we looking at? On Binance or on Sol? Let me know. Hey, Dice 550. You're really like, do you have a nice size bag in those coins or what? Are you a OG? Yo, whoever told me take a look at Baby Bonk, like where the hell is it? Teddy McDowell, are you still on? Like, let me know if you want me to look at Baby Bonk on Sol or Binance. Dog and bag on Solana. Don't know story, but I put 25 to see what happens. Dog in bag. Let's take a look at it while we wait. Dog in bag. Dog in. Is this it? The top one? No way. Is it this little one with $9,000? Dog in me 1.16. Yeah, I don't know which one you're talking about, bro. This is like This is like very no, this is Dog and Hood. This ain't the one you're talking about. I'm probably like typing it in wrong. So I'll wait for the actual ticker. I don't know, like Dog and Bag, it didn't really come up for me, man. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. It's been a little while. Um, nah, not OG here. Have a good one, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna head out, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow, probably later. I think later we get more people on. So I'll be back tomorrow. Let me stop sharing my screen here. But I'll be back on tomorrow. Market cap is 25,000. Check out Cappy on base. I will. I will check out tomorrow. We'll get to the coins. If I missed any coins, guys, come on tomorrow and we'll check them out tomorrow. Like, I don't think you guys got to worry because the overall market's going down. You're not going to be missing out on some trades. If anything, you'll be getting better entries over the next couple days. So thank you guys for tuning in. Like the video. I'll be back pretty much daily for about an hour covering meme coins, altcoins, and the overall crypto market with you. And again, if we see some good entries, we will take a dive in and all that. And if you guys are total newbies, don't forget to check out the link down below. Check out my site, cryptowaters.com. And check out that presentation I have for you. Other than that, have a great evening, everybody. It was nice hanging out for a little while. And I will see you tomorrow. Peace, guys. Thanks for tuning in.